Audio, are you recording? Audio.
Is this guy recording?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy Kruis here. Right now I'm just trying to set up like a room studio talking to camera setup thing. And I'm just using whatever lights and stuff I have. I need something to add a little bit of color to the background. So, if you did not know, I used to solve Rubik's Cubes really fast when I was in high school. Let's see if I can still solve this guy. Ready? There we go. Okay. And I actually have a ton more of these. So let's see how these look if I put them on the shelf back there. No. Just trying to add some color back there. Oh, that. That looks kind of fun. Forget it. I'm not going to put those there. Anyways, what do you think? What do you think about this lighting? What do you think about this setup? How's the audio? How's the lighting? Here, I'll show you what I've set up. So I'm shooting on my RX 100 Mark V because that's the only one with the flip out screen. Darn you, Sonys. I have my little tiny LED light bouncing off this 5-in-1 reflector thingy. And then, so this is my key light, my main light source. Then over here, I have a flashlight that's kind of lighting up the background a little bit. So I have my computer and stuff here. And I'm hiding all this mess that's on the ground. I have my cell phone up here, which is just giving a little bit of light to my back, my head, my shoulders, just to pull me out of the background a little bit. I have my other cell phone here. Basically, it just adds a little bit of light. I have my camera and lenses here, just as decoration. Have Final Cut in the background, so it looks very filmmaker-like. And yeah, so that's my quick, simple setup. So I basically just wanted to show you how you can try to find different lights in your house and try to be resourceful to kind of make your own lighting setup. So what do you think of this? I think it's okay. Kind of looks like I'm a hacker in technology, hacker in this room. It's a little bit too dim, but I don't know, it kind of has a mood to it, right? Ta-da! I'll link all of the stuff I'm using or similar products to the stuff I'm using in the description, so be sure to check those out. Hopefully you can get some ideas, because all of the stuff I'm using right now they're actually not like super fancy equipment or anything. I'm just using cheap tripods, selfie stick to hold my camera. Here, yeah, let me show you what I'm using. I'm just using a little selfie stick to hold my main camera right here, which is crazy. This is a really small tripod holding my light. You could use another selfie stick to hold this, or just like prop it up somehow in some books. I'm using another tripod to just hold this so it doesn't fall down. This light, I have it more on the warm side of color temperature, so it's probably at 3500 Kelvin, and that makes my face pop out of the background more. So I have the background light. This light is at 5500 temperature, or even higher actually, and I have it bouncing off the ceiling. That's why it kind of looks bluish in the background. My face is lit up more warm color, so it pops out of the background a little bit more. Does this give you more ideas how to set up a room studio? I was trying to think of what I wanted to make a video about today. Couldn't really think of anything, so I just decided to try to make a little lighting setup here just for fun, because I have fun doing that. What do you think? What do you think of this? Does this give you some ideas? So kind of basics here about light. If you want softer light on your face, you want a larger light source, and you want it closer to your subject or your face as possible. That way it's softer. That's why I don't have this light directly facing at me. I have it bouncing off here, so it makes it a larger light source. That way it's a little bit softer on my face. Otherwise it would look like this. So that's a little bit harsher, right? It's a little too harsh. So once it's on there, softer. And if you want your subject to pop out of the background, you want your background a bit darker. To give some accent to your subject, you want to have some sort of top light or backlight. Kind of gives a little depth to your subject. It gives a little bit of light here on your shoulders, on your head. It's a very small touch, but it just pops your subject out of the background. That's why I'm using my cell phone back there to kind of give that light, little accent. So as someone that travels a lot, it's super hard to carry a proper light kit with me. So it's fun to actually be creative while on the road and try to figure out different lighting setups, use natural light, use practical lights. So I just use lights that are already there and try to tweak them, play with the color temperature, turn lights off, turn lights on, kind of try to find a way to get that light in the background. So you just have to be creative with your lighting. So you don't have to buy a proper lighting kit to get decent lighting. So to start out, you can start using whatever you have available. I think I will try to look for a proper lighting kit soon so that I can have proper lighting on shoots and stuff. But anyways, I have a lot of fun just like pulling whatever I have and trying to make it work. It's like a little puzzle for me. Anyways, I think that's all I'm gonna make a video about today. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you learned something, if this was just a waste of your time. Hopefully not. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave it a like if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to see more of my videos. Alright, see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye bye.